Hello. Now, down here at Highland Hill Farm in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, this is a tractor trailer full of trees. Now, this tractor trailer is different than the other ones I'd ever seen down here at the farm, because this tractor trailer has bags over our plants. Now, I don't know what kind of plant this is, but I know that I'm going to end up planting it in someone's house on a job. And it might take us a couple hours to unload this, but we don't have no one else here to help us. Everybody out on jobs. So, it's going to be a wonderful day. And,
Highland Hill Farm is located in Fountainville, PA, in Bucks County. We're situated close to Philadelphia and New York, so we service the Philadelphia and New York metropolitan area as well as the Washington, D.C. corridor. We ship from our Lenoir, North Carolina facilities, our Fountainville facilities, and our Milan, PA facilities. If you need trees or shrubs on the East Coast, we do deliver and install. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs, or if you have a question about trees and shrubs, we'd be glad to try and answer your questions. So, Highland Hill Farm is your source for information and also for trees and shrubs on the East Coast. Thank you.